Okay, so let's walk you through the process. First of all, we click the image overlay button there, and now we're going to find the base map that you just created and load that in. Let's click Browse, and here I'm just going to select it from where I've got it, but you'll have this in a different location. And if I drag this dialog box out of the way, you should see that the image has loaded up. Now what we do next is zoom out a bit and pan so we can see it, and change the transparency slider here, so it's about 50%, and now you can see through the image to the ground below. I'm going to start with this corner in the top left and drag it so the coastline kind of lines up. Doesn't do exactly that, doesn't matter. Let's try the other side, and I'm matching the coastline of that long thin island that you can see, so that about matches there. Then the bottom right corner, and again I'm looking at the coastline closest to that corner, and there's that big kind of jutty out promontory there. I'm matching that, and then finally matching the coastline, these two islands down the bottom left there, and finally I go back to the top right, and now I drag again, and it's not quite there, so let's drag this corner again, and you can see I'm just going round and round the corners, matching them up until there's no improvement further I can make. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. So let's zoom in a bit, and to see how my handiwork's going, I move the dialog block up, and if I drag, you can see that I've matched it quite well. It matches pretty well there. So we push the transparency right down so it's completely opaque. I've named it base map, and now I'm going to click OK. And you can see it appear in the places column.